HTML, hypertext markup language, and CSS, cascading style sheets, are the foundational technologies for building web pages. HTML provides the structure of the page, defining elements such as headings, paragraphs, links, and images. CSS, on the other hand, is used to style these HTML elements, controlling their appearance on the web page. HTML organizes content using various tags. The H1 to H6 tags are used for headings, with H1 representing the most important heading and H6 the least. Paragraphs are defined using the P tag. Here is an example. CSS enhances the visual presentation of HTML elements. By linking a CSS file or including CSS styles within the HTML document, you can modify colors, fonts, spacing, and more. Here's an example of how to style headings and paragraphs using CSS. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.